Day dinner, repolyo, bagu beans, carrots for our gulay, and chicken. We're ready to cook our Sunday dinner. Repolyo, chicken, bagu beans, carrots, sibuyas, bawang, patis, salt. Yes, bawang, and then the patis muna, and then the chicken. Nasangkusan natin ang chicken bago natin lagyan natin bagu beans, carrots, and our repolyo. Siyempre, dapat palambutin muna natin yan before the repolyo. And putsa na natin ang ating chicken and ilagyan natin ng half cup of water. Lagyan na natin yung bagu beans first before the mamshi. That's what we learned the past week. Pag kinakover, mas mabilis na luluto yung nasa loob. Lagyan na natin yung carrots and we're putting the cabbage now. Kinover natin ang ating kahit siguro 2 minutes lang para mag-cook siya together with the bagu beans and carrots. Ma'am siyang ating Sunday dinner together with our we still have leftover adobo yesterday, Saturday night. So this Sunday night we'll have this vegetable, repolyo, carrots, and bagu beans for dinner. And quinoa, may leftover pa yun yesterday. Enjoy, enjoy!